Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to change display language in Google Chrome. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dots, menu icon, in the top corner and select Settings. On the sidebar, click on Languages. Under Preferred Languages, click on the three dots next to your preferred language, and check the box that says Display Google Chrome in this language. If your preferred language isn't listed, click on Add Languages and search for it. Once you've selected your language, click on Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new language settings. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.